Dane? Where is he? Oh, Dane, there you are. I actually have a question about turn signals. Just wait right there. Wait right there, okay? I'm coming. I gotta get to him before he gets out of there.
What's this about?
Oh, there you are.
What do you want?
I have questions about turn signals.
What do you want to know about turn signals?
Come on, let's go check it out.
So turn signals, we really have a ton of different solutions that can relocate the turn signals to different areas. I think the best way to explain this is to go through, we'll start with the most economic solution, and then we'll work up to kind of more of our more expensive and more in-depth solutions. So the first is obviously going to be our turn signal crossover. It's a mechanical solution that attaches right to the turn signal, and it can move the turn signal to the right side from the left side, or it can act as a drop down to give you kind of a better location to target to hit your turn signals on. We're right in front of the retail bay.
Yeah.
So let me run to shipping, I'll grab one, and I can get you to install one. These are pretty easy to install.
Perfect.
So we have a turn signal crossover. This is a really economical solution for cases where you need to relocate where the turn signal is. So this can push your turn signal, which is primarily on the left side, over to the right side.
Okay.
Or you can flip it around. It can act as a drop down where it gives you lower access to your turn signal. I'm going to hand this over to you. These are really easy to install. So I'm going to get you to install your first turn signal crossover.
Oh my goodness, I love it. It looks like a little dinosaur. Let's try clamping it on. I even get an Allen key. This is professional. Okay, so I'm going to remove this first just to make it a little bit easier to install. So I'm going to take it and
that just clamps onto the turn signal.
I'm going to open it as wide as it can go, and it clamps on to the turn signal here. And I'm just going to tighten it up with my Allen key so that it gets a good grip. So you can adjust the placement depending on where you need it. So let's get this on here.
So it's worth mentioning that with that rod, it's got a rubber cap on the end, so that can be cut down. In a lot of cases, you'll want to bend that so that it's in the right position for the user to use.
So for this purpose, we're going to put the rod back in just to show you how it is. So it's clamped on. Yep, so it's clamped on, and as you can see, it's really simple to use. So now you have access from the right side to your turn signals.
Now, it's important to note that, again, this can be bent. It's small round bar, and this cap can be removed. So you can actually cut this down if you need it in a different location, or you need it bent around something, because that determines where your handle position is. Similarly, this can be bent, or this can be cut down and bent as well to give you a shorter or further distance from the turn signal stock.
So the next step with installation is we're going to take the smaller Allen key and tighten up the set screw. I'm starting to learn how to use Allen keys pretty well. And so that just stabilizes your bar so that you're not going to have any movement and it's not going to fall out.
So that's the turn signal crossover, which gives you a relocation of where the turn signal is. This doesn't work for all cases. So I think in our next episode, we're going to go over the four-way switch, which is an electronic version. It relocates the turn signals as well, but it puts them on the hand control for someone that's driving with the hand control. Because obviously with the turn signal crossover, in a lot of cases, you still have to move your hand from the spinner knob or the hand control to hit your turn signals. So this may not work for everyone, but this is our most economical solution for relocating the turn signals.
Perfect. Everybody can look forward to our next episode. Welcome to our new showroom here at Shore Grip Atlantic. So we're really excited to have this open now for the public. And we're excited to see everybody at NMETA in October. Dane can't wait. Come see us at booth 400 and don't miss our product demo.
Soapbox, again, booth 400. We're happy to see you at NMETA in Ada. So.